Picture this. You're halfway to your favorite lake, cruising at 70 miles per hour when you hear a scraping sound above your head. Your heart drops. Is your kayak about to become road debris? If you've been hunting for a roof rack that won't give you anxiety attacks on the highway, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best kayak roof racks available right now. All product links are in the description below, so you can grab the best deals. Let's dive in. Starting strong at number 1, the Yakima JayLow Rooftop Kayak Carrier. This isn't just another roof rack, it's a complete system that adapts to how you actually use your kayak. What sets the JayLow apart is its dual configuration design. You can carry one kayak in the J-cradle position, supporting up to 80 pounds, or flip the game entirely and stack 2 kayaks vertically with a combined weight capacity of 110 pounds. That's versatility you won't find in most competitors. The fold-down functionality is where this rack really shines. When you're not hauling kayaks, the uprights fold completely flat. This means no more scraping your garage ceiling or dealing with annoying wind resistance on your daily commute. Installation is genuinely tool-free. It arrives pre-assembled, and you can mount it to round, square, factory, or aerodynamic crossbars in minutes. Yakima includes everything you need right in the box: heavy-duty straps, bow and stern tie-downs, and protective padding that actually protects your kayak's finish. The integrated cam lever makes adjusting the upright position effortless, so you can dial in the perfect angle for your specific kayak haul. Now here's something to consider. Some users report a whistling noise at highway speeds. This comes from the ventilation holes in the base. It's not a deal breaker. You can minimize it with proper installation or adding wind deflectors. But if you're sensitive to noise, just be aware. Check the link in the description for current pricing and availability. At number 2, we have the IKURAM R Kayak Roof Rack. If you're into multiple water sports or want a rack that feels like it belongs on a luxury vehicle, pay attention. The construction alone is impressive. Aviation-grade anodized aluminum alloys. This isn't your typical steel rack that'll rust after a season near salt water. It's lightweight, incredibly durable, and built to handle whatever Mother Nature throws at it. The anti-corrosion properties mean this rack will look good years down the line. But here's where IKURAM really stands out: the 3-in-1 multifunction design. This rack transforms from a J-cradle for kayaks to configurations for canoes, SUPs, surfboards, and even ski boards. So if you're the type who switches between water sports seasonally, you're getting serious value here. The weight capacity is generous, 158 pounds, and it accommodates kayaks up to 42 inches wide. That covers pretty much any recreational or touring kayak you'd want to transport. The quick-release full design is brilliant for daily drivers. Just pull the front handle and the uprights drop flat for garage clearance. The padding system deserves mention too. IKURAM uses oversized, thick, all-weather rubber saddles with what they call top guard padding. Your kayak essentially sits in a cushioned cradle. No rubbing, no scratches, no worries. Plus, you get built-in paddle holders, which is a surprisingly rare feature at this price point. Coming in at number 3 is the TMS J-Bar Kayak Rack Carrier. Under $80 for a complete 2-kayak system? That's hard to beat. Don't let the price fool you, though. This rack has thousands of positive reviews on Amazon because it delivers exactly what recreational kayakers need. The J-bar configuration saves massive roof space. Your kayaks sit on their side, which means you can still mount a cargo box or bikes if needed. Each rack handles kayaks up to 36 inches wide and 75 pounds. The steel frame features an all-surface rust-resistant coating, so you're not sacrificing durability for affordability. Installation is straightforward. These mount to virtually any crossbar shape: round, square, oval, or flat. What I really appreciate about TMS is they actually include quality straps. You get 2 heavy-duty straps in the package, plus adjustable padding and all mounting hardware. Nothing cheap or flimsy here. The system is also expandable. If you've got a full-size truck rack, you can mount up to 4 sets. The value proposition is unbeatable for weekend warriors or families just getting into kayaking. You're spending less than $100 and getting a system that genuinely works. Here's the consideration. This is a basic J-bar system, so there's no fold-down feature. If you're entering a low-clearance garage daily, you'll need to remove the racks or install a taller garage opener. For occasional use, or if garage height isn't an issue, this is non-factor. Number 4 brings us the PIRIPARA kayak rack. We're talking documented 1,800-mile highway trips without issues. One user even reported hitting a deer at highway speed, front-end collision damage, but the kayaks didn't budge. At around $45 to $50, this is absolute budget champion territory. But PIRIPARA proves that cheap doesn't mean cheaply made. The heavy-duty alloy steel construction feels solid, and the rust-resistant coating holds up well in various conditions. The total weight capacity of 150 pounds, 75 per kayak, covers most recreational scenarios. What users consistently praise is the wide-mouth J-bar design. It makes loading and unloading genuinely easier, especially if you're doing it solo. The protective padding is thicker than you'd expect at this price point. Installation averages 15 to 20 minutes according to multiple user reports. The universal mounting hardware fits most factory or aftermarket square, oval, or flat crossbars. You're also getting 4 8-foot heavy-duty tie-down straps included. No need to buy separate straps immediately. Now, the important consideration: the standard nylock nuts can loosen during driving, particularly on your first few trips. This isn't unique to PIRIPARA, it's common with budget racks, but you absolutely need to check and retighten them regularly. Many users upgrade to higher quality locking nuts from a hardware store, which costs maybe $5 and provides serious peace of mind. Rounding out our 5th is the Leader Accessories Folding Kayak Rack. If you're a frequent kayaker who wants to leave racks installed year-round but still access your garage, this design is brilliant. The fold-down design uses a quick-release lever system. Pull the lever and the racks fold completely flat. No tools, no hassle, no removing the entire system every time you come home. Users with low-clearance garages absolutely love this feature. Construction-wise, you're getting reinforced 22mm diameter steel tubing with a black powder-coated finish. The weight capacity matches the competition at 150 pounds total, 75 per kayak. But what's interesting is the 8.5-inch widening design. That extra wide base provides noticeably better stability and weight distribution compared to narrower systems. The scratch prevention system combines foam padding on the J-bars with a rubber pedal design. Your kayak hull stays pristine even on rough roads. The adjustable angle positioning means you can dial in the perfect fit for different kayak shapes, whether you've got a flat-bottomed recreational kayak or a V-hulled touring model. Leader Accessories includes 4 J-bar racks, 4 heavy-duty tie-down straps, and all mounting hardware. The multi-sport functionality extends to canoes, surfboards, snowboards, and SUPs. Multiple users report 2+ years of consistent performance, which is solid longevity for a mid-range rack. Every rack on this list offers something different, whether it's premium fold-down convenience, multi-sport versatility, or unbeatable budget pricing. Thanks for watching. Safe travels out there, and I'll see you in the next one.